Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to swap out our direct Sunlight Readable display between our the old CNN LCD screens. It's quite easy. Our screen comes with the drivers and updated the backlights. The part number is XP70-TTA/AC-LCD. This is a direct replacement, and this is a display. It's made by LS. The part number is XP70-TTA/AC. So basically, there's 5 screws holding the back cover. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, we need to remove the back cover in order to access chassis and LCD screen. Last screws out. Okay. So let's take it out. Here we go. As you can see, this is a power supply, main board, touch screen. This is a connector for the screen. So basically another 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we remove this screen wire connectors and touch screens, and then lift it up and flip over. I can show it to you. Okay, the last screw. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect this screen wires connectors. I'm going to disconnect this, pull back the clicks, and take out the cable of the touchscreen. So take it out. Now you can lift it up. So just like that. Okay. All right. So there's 4 screws holding the display, and then you just remove it, and then put our screen back. So I just take this tool and loosen this. Just take it out. See the backlight? We need to disconnect it. Okay. Set the screen aside. All right. Show the voltage. Obviously, based on the mark, you know this is ground, and this is 5 volts. 5 volts not gonna drive the driver, the LED driver. We need to find either 24 volt or 12 volts. I see a couple of can capacitors. I'm gonna measure this big one. Let me connect to. I need to remove this cover. And then just measure voltage. I show you next video. So I connect power to it. You know, there's a back cover here tells you this is AC 100-240. So I'm gonna turn it on. And then, as I said before, this is the ground. It's already marked ground. Ground. So this is marked 5 volts. 5 volts, correct. 5 volts. So I just pointed out the can capacitors one. Perfect. So this is 12 volts. So basically, the black wire will be here, the red wire will be here. Says I just soldered this wire, black wire to the ground, red wire to capacitor positive, which is 12 volt supply. Okay. And then I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it on the back. Okay, so just like this, because this wire is long enough. Okay, so I just put all the screw back, and then I mount the inverter in the back, and then I just need to put back this screen wire harness, and also put back this cable, touch screen cable, which is right here. And then as soon as I put everything back together, we're going to test it. Put all the screw back, everything together, connect the power cord here, and then we're going to connect the power and then test it. Let me shut off my overhead lights, and let me turn on the power for a second. Here you go. It's putting up. Oops. Even. All right. Touch. It's working. Go to main menu. Okay. So everything works. Thank you for watching.